Don't really like this brush, guys. Welcome to my channel. Don't really like it. Doing a review on this brush. The rotate, it don't rotate. All it do is vibrate. That's all. So I don't really like it. It's okay, but I really don't like it. So I wash my face twice. With the Sudafed, or Sudafed, whatever they call it. Then I do my normal routine with my apple cider vinegar toner and stuff like that. So guys, let's go in my makeup room and get this finished. Okay. Sorry, it's gonna be some wiggling and moving and stuff. So okay. So do that. This, don't really like it, sis. One of my subscribers asked me to do a review on it. I really don't like it. It's okay, but if you're going to buy one, get one better than this one. Because this one is really not all that good. Like I said, it don't move. The convenient part about it is that it's wireless, basically, and it's waterproof, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, the bristles don't move. See, they don't move. They just vibrate. That's all. They don't move at all. See, that's all. That's all they do. That's all. So I take my toner, Witch Hazel, which I use for toner, and I spray my face with my toner. So don't buy that brush. It was $10, guys, on Amazon. And like I said, this brand, sis, is not a good brand. Don't buy it. Find another one, a brand to use. I should have got the little $7 one. The one that I used to have, but that one gets a lot of water and stuff in it, so that's why I didn't repurchase that one. Because it get a lot of water and everything in it. So this how I clean. I know I look rough, but I'm not. This how I clean my face, and I just, this my apple cider vinegar and water, and I just do this, put a little bit on there. I don't really like this moisturizer. I think it kind of breaks me out, so I won't be using that no more. And then this stings a little bit. So I know it's working. Ooh, Jesus. Yeah. Uh-huh. Y'all see my big pores? I got big old pores in my face. So I use that. And I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna do another video on this little purifying Ruby Kisses charcoal peel mask. I'm gonna do a video on this Sunday. The day's Friday. I think it's June 22nd, I think. I'm not sure, guys, but I think that's what it is. And I'm sorry I haven't been on here, but I've been tending to my grandbaby, watching my grand. So that takes up pretty much all my day. Well, evening anyway, since my daughter worked. And we might do a video later on. One of these days soon. I gotta run it by her first, you know. So I do that. And I let this dry. Oh, sis, I ain't used these yet, so I really don't know how they work. Somebody, I think Miss Frida, you asked me about these. I haven't quite used it yet, so I don't really know how that works. But I really wanted to do this review on this. I know I done had it for like almost a month now. So I promised one of my subscribers that I would do a review on it. Don't get this kind because it's not good. Don't get it. It was $10. Don't get it. I don't really like it, guys. So that's my review on the Sony Fiber Cleanser. Yeah, I don't really like it. Did I take my... So I do this. Yep, so I do that, and I rinse, wipe up, and then I take my palms. I only put a little bit on because it's for dry skin, and my skin is oily, so I only put I'm combination a little bit, so that's what I use. This one and this one as well. So I just put a little dab of this one on too. So I use 2 moisturizers on my face, and that's what I do. And that's my skincare routine, guys. That's my skincare routine. And thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys. And if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And then hit the bell next to the subscribe button. And then you'll be notified every time I do a video. And sorry to my family. I haven't been on here. Just been trying to get everything, get my scheduling together, my recording days together. So I think I'm going to record like on Mondays and Tuesdays now because my daughter's work schedule, I can't do it on Fridays anymore because I watch my grandbaby. So thank y'all so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And I love you guys, and take care. Stay tuned for more, guys. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.